today's Virgo's oracle reading. My dear Virgos, you got three major arcana out of all three cards that I pulled. So, and the funny part is all of them are reversed. So, first card is we got is death in reverse. So, firstly, my dear Virgos, why are you resisting change in life? Why are you resisting change in your surroundings? Any kind of change that is being called and manifested in your life, the more you hold on to this state of mind that I'm not going to change, right now it's death. Please don't resist this, because the more you resist death, and you know what soon's gonna happen to you, you're gonna get the tower moment in your life, and that's worse. So that second, you got the emperor in reverse. That means that right now you are in this phase of wanting to dominate others and have excessive control over everything, and you're not being flexible. All right, being the emperor often means that you have to change things, you have to adapt to situations very fast because people are depending on you. But right now the only thing you're holding on to is your personal beliefs. You are not changing things, and I feel in a way you are also challenging the status quo by not changing, because the natural order of things would be to change. So this actually is a major life change, so it can be in any area: work, love life, family life, just your relationship with yourself, all of that. And that's a little crazy. Yeah, don't hold on to changes, because it's not how universe works. Every change is the only constant, and the more you resist it, the more it's gonna get worse. One card which almost toppled out was mother healing. So a lot of you might be somebody who has some issues related to your mother, so you need to heal them. I don't know why the cards are jumping, but a soulmate relationship is on the horizon, perhaps, maybe for some of you. Remember, this is a collective for everyone. Also, please check your sun, moon, and rising. Okay, you've been asked to pay attention to details. Okay, you need to heal your heart. You're a powerful healer. Keep up the work. You're not, and in the process of healing yourself, not only will you heal yourself, you're going to heal everybody around you, because the way you behave, the way you are going on about life, resisting change, wanting to control things, but at the same time wanting your freedom. Understand that things don't work that way. What you put out is what you get back. Okay, you might be dealing with feelings of unworthiness, but even though you might feel it, but it's not the truth, because we are all deserving, we are all light, we are all divine beings, we're just having a human experience. Also, some sort of consultation with some expert is needed, no matter where, in which thing, because I think this might has to do with psychiatry or counseling. So if you are somebody who's dealing with mental health issues, and right now we all are in some way or the other, please go ahead, because 2020 is not the year when you hold back. We work through our issues, we purge them out, and we are new for the next timeline, for the new timeline where the world as we know is changing. Okay, religion and spirituality is the back of the deck. You've been asked to join in. Some of you need to change your diet. Memories are coming and haunting you. Okay, I think I want to read one of them, because dietary change and memories are fine. Maybe you will have certain clues in memories. Maybe you're being asked to go back and go through the memories. Yeah, join in. I'm gonna read this, all right, for you. You're being you're being called to push past shyness and meet new people. Although you might not think of yourself as sociable, it's time to take action and get acquainted with like-minded friends and associates. Your social fears stem from spending time with insensitive people, and you'll benefit from connecting with gentle, kind individuals like yourself. I think join a spiritual or religious group which aligns with your beliefs. That's a big message. That was actually also the back of the deck energy. So, yeah, that's the message for you, Virgos. Please don't resist change, because on the other side of change lies treasures. That's it for you. See you next time around.